Best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. Today, I will be showing you around different affiliate marketing programs that are available in 2021 that you can avail as a beginner. So, let's start. Up first, we have Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is actually one of the most famous affiliate marketing programs out there, and most of the influencers and YouTubers, they're most of the time using Clickbank that I have noticed. So, what happens on Clickbank is that you will definitely sell a product if you become an affiliate. You will actually have a lot of affiliate programs that are available on Clickbank. Right here you can see nearly 100,000 affiliate power Clickbank's vast marketplace to promote top performing complete products and to pay it on time. So that's actually a good thing about Clickbank, that it pays on time and the commission is good. Like, I have seen people earning hundreds of thousands of commission from one sale. What happens on Clickbank is that it actually depends on the product in all of the actually affiliate programs, but on Clickbank you can actually earn up to $200 for a as a commission. And if you're selling like 5 products a day or even 2 products a day, then you can simply make up to $1,000 or $2,000 a day or a month. And then if we are talking about a month, then you can actually make a lot of money to Clickbank. So yeah, Clickbank is very easy to use and it's one of the very trusted affiliate marketing programs out there. So yeah, if you are looking for a affiliate marketing programs, then go ahead and check out Clickbank. At number 2, we have Warrior Plus. Now, I personally use Warrior Plus because I like the commission rate and it's very easy to use and everything. Right here you can see that you can actually see that all of these different programs or products are available. So yeah, you can actually earn a lot of profit. Right here you can see that this is the conversion rate and visitor value, average sale and refund rate. So it's actually very good and you can actually check out any of the product, and once you click on any of the product you will be able to see that how many commission you're gonna get from the product. So you can see right here, this is one of the product that I opened on Warrior Plus, and right here you can see the price range is $18 to $197 and the commission rate is $9 to $396. So it's a chance that on selling one product I can actually make up to $300. So if I am doing like more than one sale a day, I can make up to $600 a day on Warrior Plus, and it will actually give me an idea. And you can see there are hundreds of thousands of products that are available and the commission rate is amazing. There most of the time they pay up to 50%, and you can see, look at the sales. Like, this one has more than 3,000 sales, this one has 1,000 plus sales. So people are actually selling these products and earning money through it. So you can do that too if you join Warrior Plus right now. It's free to sign up. Then we have AmazingSellingMachine.com. Now, what happens on AmazingSellingMachine.com is it's also another affiliate marketing program, amazing for beginners, because it also has a very good commission rate that you can get. And you can actually see that I wanted to be doing 50,000 a month in sales by beginning of 2020. So you can see, like, this person right here, she's saying that she actually went to $50,000 a month on Amazing Selling Machine. And I like Amazing Selling Machine because they have upgraded with time. And honestly, like, they used to have the free program, but right now I think they do not offer that anymore in 2021 because it's actually, the training is free. Yeah, you can actually do the training for free, and the commission rate here is also amazing, up to, like, on one sale you can actually make up to hundreds or $200. And obviously it depends on the products. And if we go to product, there are amazing products available and they have also integrations with Amazon. So you can actually go ahead and check out AmazingSellingMachine.com if you are a beginner and you're looking to do affiliate marketing. Then we have CJ Affiliate. Now CJ Affiliate is actually one of the most famous one because it's a very upgraded and very reliable, and it actually pays a good amount. As you can see, the website is also a very good looking website. And if I go to their affiliate program, in which they're telling you about the affiliate, that how you actually do the affiliate marketing and how they process it, you can see right here that what is affiliate marketing is the only channel that reaches the influences consumers worldwide every part of their purchase journey. So you can actually, and where do you fit in the picture, they're saying. So as a publisher, you can, publishers engage consumers through a variety of distribution, and you can actually do that on websites, social media, search, email, mobile apps, offline marketing, and more. So you can actually choose any of these. If you are on social media, you are on YouTube, you want to do affiliate marketing through email, you can simply do that, and they will give you their commission, and they have a good amount of commission. And then advertisers, you can be their advertiser if you have experience in selling the products and everything. So CJ Affiliate is amazing affiliate program for beginners. If you are looking to earn some money and by sitting at home and you do not actually have that much experience, then definitely you should definitely check out CJ Affiliate if you are looking for affiliate marketing. Then we have Share a Sale. As by the name, you are sharing a sale right here on Share a Sale. And Share a Sale is also an amazing platform for you to avail, because they have a lot of integrations into it, and you can do affiliate marketing however you want to. And their system is mostly automatic. If you say, like, most of the things are automatic and you don't have to do much. So you can see they're actually providing you with a lot of options. For example, recruitment tool, influencers activation, attribution solutions, things like that. And if I go to their affiliate programs and we go to payments right here, then we will be able to see different affiliate payments that they do. You can see right here, I went to their affiliate and their payment. You can see discover the right partnerships, and if I go down here, you can see join merchant programs with over 260 new programs launching each month. Promote and publish. So you will simply promote and publish and then engage and monetize. So once you engage and your links are getting views and you're selling the products, you can actually earn a lot right here on Share a Sale and get your profit right here on this platform. Again, they also have good amount of commission. Okay, right here you can see that a product is $37, so you are getting the $5 commission, and it's amazing. It's a little low commission than most of other affiliate programs that I have mentioned, but it's amazing, and you can actually sign up for free right now. So yeah, Share a Sale is also an amazing affiliate programs, so you can go ahead and check them out. Here they're saying that 1 billion plus is earned by affiliates last year. So there are people who actually earned more than 1 billion on this program right here. So this is legit, guys. You can definitely check them out. After that, there are actually hundreds of affiliate programs out there. So I actually found this article for you so I can get you an overview of others as well. For example, look here, there is another affiliate program, which is the Fiverr affiliate program. Fiverr also offers affiliate marketing programs. And if we go right here, you can actually see their commission rates. Service price go up to $10,000, and you a time buyer up to 1,000 per sale. You can earn up to 1,000 per sale. Amazing. If we go down a little, Bluehost, so you can actually earn a profit on Bluehost as well. And there are hundreds of affiliate marketing programs that are available, like for example this one, Green Geeks, and this one actually says that by joining their affiliate program you can earn up to $125 per sale based on the performance and traffic level. And Green Geeks has paid their affiliates over 3.5 million over time. So yeah, people are actually earning money just by sitting at home and doing affiliate marketing. Then why not you? So definitely check these, all of these affiliate marketing programs right now, and you will be able to find one that will suit you, and you can start doing the affiliate marketing right now. So yeah guys, I know the list was a little long, but you can feel free to just go through all of these, check them out. Of course, I could not share all the information about the softwares because I had to cover all of them, but you can go ahead and check out their websites and their details and find the one which suits you, and start your affiliate marketing programs right now and start earning money. I hope I was a big help. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.